What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. So, today I'm going to create a portfolio website. Yes, welcome to the channel, guys. In this video, I'm going to create this looking beautiful website in HTML and CSS. Wow, look at this. It feels real. Wow. So if you are new and you don't know anything about uh, designing, you don't know anything about coding, all the stuff, I'm going to walk you through step by step. So subscribe, so turn on notification, and yeah, remember to leave a comment and let me know what you think. So first of all, I created a folder with some files in. So I just put HTML, the index.html in this folder. Then I also added style.css. In this folder, I created another folder inside, which contains pictures. So I'm gonna go ahead and drag and drop it in this text editor. For me, I'm using the Sublime text. You can use anything like visual and so on. So what I have here, as you can see, I have HTML and CSS. I'm going to type HTML, then press tab. You're going to read basic HTML. So for the title, I'm going to write portfolio. Portfolio. So just keep it short. So now I'm finished with title. So to run it, you're gonna hit click on screen, and then you go to open in a browser. So now, as you can see, we got title here. So let's first link CSS. Gonna type link, hit tab. So and type style CSS. If I'm not sure about uh, if you write correctly, go and copy the file's name, so and then paste it here. So next, uh, we're gonna start with navigation menu. Right, nav, then hit tab. In navigation, we're going to add the logo, which is div dot logo. Hit tab. So I'm gonna add the actual logo, which is dot r space capital R space the U. So to change a logo, like to give it a different font and different colors, I'm going to add span, move this into this tag. So now they are completely divided. So The next, I'm gonna start with a navigation buttons. UL. So gonna list li. Inside they're gonna put a link to the specific page on the website. So I'm gonna use and then add a hashtag page 2. So here in A, as you can see, let me put it. Okay, so now I'm gonna add about me. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy all of this, then paste it down as number of buttons on the top. So I'm gonna add 5 buttons. So um just don't want to use a lot of I'm gonna just use only 2 pages on this website. So let's go skills and photos, contact, and subscribe. So check. You have to load the page. So as you can see, this is the logo, this is the navigation. So I think I'm done with a navigation. So for make it active, so here in the subscribe, I'm gonna add plus button active, which will activate the subscribe button to stay like it was clicked or like hovered or something. So I'm going to the hero image. So I'm going to add the tab dot hello. So so now I'm going to add a title h2. So I made draft here. My draft of things words and links I'm going to use in this project. So the first was this one, paste here. The next, I'm gonna add a spread in the line with okay, first add this also. So to okay, all right, I did it. So now as you can see they are on the one line. So what I'm going to do is to separate them with el tag. Tag most is not the HTML tag, as you can see. Now it separates them, but like as you can press enter, not just like to make it divide the words. So now as you can see, they look like divided. So next I'm going to add another paste here, and from here I'm going to add this pen and move this to here. So it means that this word, it is different from this, even if they are in the same tag, which is this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to save and then check the browser. So reload, as you can see, is divided. So what I'm gonna add, I'm gonna select this word to be italic format. Let me cut it first. No. Let me cut it first. Control X to cut it. Then I'm gonna put hit tab, and then paste in. So now, as you can see, it's written in the scientific format. So I think I'm done with the title now. I'm going to paragraph. The tag I'm going to use is P, which is a paragraph. I come here, copy this. This is the paragraph. Cut it, then paste it here. So now I think the next is button. Button, I'm gonna add read more. So after save, so let me check. As you can see, boom, the button is here, and this is the paragraph, the title. So next, um, I'm going to add the picture on the page. So I'm going to add img, then specific file location images. So I'm gonna add images. Oh, in the small letters slash. Let me see. I'm going to use this one. PNG file. If you like write the wrong spelling, the image is not going to work. So as you can see now, the picture, it appeared. So what you have to do is to go to the second section. So the second section, I'm going to make it simple. A section, let me add ID, which is equal to the page 2. And in the second section, I'm going to add also title, which is about me as a developer. So I'm gonna hit paste it, then save, and then you got to check the page. Now, as you can see, this is the second section. So again, I'm going to divide the word into two. So from here, we're going to add span. So um, about it's as simple as this. So I'm gonna move the tag, the closing tag to the end, and then save. So now I think it looks nice, right? So the next tag is going to be the actual the box with a picture uh, in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and write div with a class of box image, box image on hit tab. So copy it and then paste it down. So we have the two boxes. So the next is going to be the paragraph. The last paragraph is going to be p dot about negative paragraph. Then tab. So I'm going to copy the last paragraph, which is this. And go ahead and paste it. So let's go check. As you can see, this is the last paragraph on the page. So now I'm going to go ahead and add some icons for social media. So I'm gonna go ahead and div dot social new tab. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna use this URL from here. This link is going to connect our website to the icons that's also on this website. Fontosam.com. So if you have an account there, or if you want to create an account in that website, it's for free. So you can write this code or just go and create account there. So let me show you how I'm going to link them. So go and open up a new tab and then type font awesome. So the log is this one. So I'm gonna click on font awesome. So now I'm gonna go ahead and click on the icons. So as you can see, they have a lot of different categories. So go ahead and click the search icon here. So for now, I'm going to copy this Facebook. So as you can see, you can change from dark to white, black to white. So go ahead and copy this link. Then you come here and paste it here. Now let's load the page. Wow, as you can see, the social media icon is in the bottom of the website. So the next is going to be Instagram. Copy link by clicking the this HTML code. So and paste the next. The first was Facebook, and then the second is Instagram. So go ahead and reload the page. As you can see, the Instagram is here. So I remember, if you want to uh, do your website, to develop a website offline, it's going to be a little bit hard, because those icons, you can use them from the using internet. They are not offline. They cannot be used offline. So what you have to do is to connect your device on internet. Now done with the icons, so let's go ahead and start our CSS. So in CSS, you need to import the font first. So I'm gonna show you how we can get the this font code pop-ins. So as you can see that we have a different font weight that we can use in this font, from 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, and 900. So this is actual Google fonts. So okay, let me show you how I found the font. Go to write Google font. So this is also the logo. So click here and search whatever font you want. So me, I'm using Poppins. As you can see, it's like this. They can go ahead and select whatever font weight you want to use, rather italic or this normal font. So let's continue. On CSS, need to first customize the page. Now I'm going to add a layer of star, Control 8 for maybe my keyboard. It could be different from yours. And padding going to be 0, margin going to be 0, box size, box size, I think, for the box, and save. As you can see, they all start from the page. They are broken on the beginning of the page. So I'm going to add this font. Anyway, go ahead and write the name. If you're not sure about writing the name, you can copy it. So I'm going to add this some where I forgot the comma. So that's why. Now you can see we got the different format. Looks nice. So go ahead and add colors by load. A is going to be normal, just white. The second is going to be B, which is midnight black. And the third one is going to be G, which is gold. So of the colors, I'm going to add to change the background of the page. And to this background of the page, we are going to add body to be height. Height is going to be 200 VH, which is 2 pages. So the next background gonna be fire, which is uh, A, like to be white. Background is going to be white. So and display effect. So now we are going to customize this page. So as you can see, now it looks better. So we have to customize the header page before you customize the navigation. So go ahead and write point, which is mean the class, which means a class, and then paste the so type position absolute 100% width 100%. So now we're gonna go ahead and add the picture as background going to be ULL and add this this picture. Looks really nice. Now I'm gonna search bg dot jpg. So as you can see, boom, background is already there. So I'm going to do next is to customize navigation. So I'm going to come and copy the navigation, position, relative. So here it's going to be 60 pixels, and width is going to be 100%. So the next is going to be see index going to be list 3. So now I can see the thing is aligned at the top. The next is going to be the logo. We're going to write nav space and become here and copy the logo. Then point, paste. Color is going to be vary of PG, which is the gold, and font size is going to be 44 pixels. Font weight, first check. Font weight is going to be 900. It's become a little bigger, a bit bigger. So the next thing is going to be the margin. Margin is going to be 0 pixel, 44 pixels. As you can see, leave a little space to the edge of screen. So I'm going to go to customize the wrist. So from here we have this a list. Gonna copy the list. So and the nav list into position it as absolute. So and display display is going to be flex light, going to be 44 pixels. So you can see now. So now, oh sorry, this is UL. Okay, so now as you can see the alignment. So next thing is going to be Let's add a little space above. Margin of the top going to be 8 pixels and 15 pixels. Then save. The next is going to be the list navigation UL I is going to be list. List style is going to be none to remove those points. So as you can see, the next is going to be the margin 20 pixels and 10 pixels. So padding is going to be 8 pixels and 17 pixels. You go ahead and refresh. As you can see, looks nice. So let me add like 15. So let's go to nav ul li a which is going to be font size 17 pixels and color is going to be a which is white and I be 8 pixels and 17 pixels. So let's check. Text the collection. Just remove to unrun the text and set to none. Yes. So font weight going to be 600. Looks better. So margin top here is going to be negative 70. A over going to be a hover comma active. Copy this here. Folder for the bottom going to be 2 pixels solid and value color is gold. I'm going to be 8 pixels, 17 pixels, 10 pixels, yes. Border radius, yes, it will be 100 pixels. Transition, and so boom, as you can see, nice effect. Let me first hide the picture from the screen to be able to customize it, the other elements. Then dot active, comma, active hover, color is going to be black, and background be gold. That's it for the active hover. Let's check. Wow. Next is going to be background from the image. This one. So let me refresh. So I'm going to do is go ahead and write EMG. This IMG, then position is going to be absolute, right? Is going to be 0. Width is going to be 150 pixels. Bottom is going to be 0, and margin right is going to be 44 pixels. Save, and then wow, as you can see, looks nice. In the in this section, H is going to H2 as the first paragraph here. This one is going to have position absolute. Color is going to be gold. Let's check. Yes, as you can see, change it to gold. Font size going to be 30 pixels, and left is going to be 44 pixels. Up is going to be 30%. And margin will be 10 pixels. So let's see what we got. Boom, nice. So I'm gonna go to see this span, I don't know if my pronunciation is correct, but span font size is 50 pixels. Color is going to be white, which is value a some font weight is going to be 900 massive one. As you can see, it changed. Let's go to this because I want to separate them from this hay. I want to separate them, separate it from the my name is just from here. I'm going to add this color. Color is going to be value BG, which is gold. And then font weight is going to be 100. Font weight is going to be 100. Let's see, check. Wow, looks very nice. And we're going to customize the P paragraph. It's going to have position absolute. Color is going to be gray. And left going to be 44 pixels. Top going to be 60%. See, we get it. So margin is going to be 20 pixels. As you see, we have a lot of paragraph that has been set here, but this paragraph is located in hello, so I'm going to add a hello, but hello, and then comma, and save. Let's see. No way, just all right. This is it over here, but it pulled everything down. Then just hello. Oh, I did it. Yeah. The other paragraph was to will be set on this page. That's why it was popping up like everything doesn't make sense. So let's go button. Button is going to be position absolute. Height is going to be 50 pixels, and width is going to be 200. 200, maybe 50 pixels. Font weight be 600. Border is going to be 2 pixels. Solid, and the value is going to be gold. Let's see what we get. As you can see, the how it's supposed to be, but it is up. It is at the top, and I want to bring it down. So maybe add left is going to be 44 pixels, and uh, top is going to be 8 pixels. I mean 80%. Done now is what it's supposed to be. So background none. See, color going to be gold. Awesome. Check. Small. Let me add some weight. Font weight going to be 600. Font size going to be 20 pixels. Let's check in. Wow, nice. Button hovering with cursor into set the background to value gold, and color is going to be value black. Let's see for that. Wow, nice, but it's just short time. Let me add transition. Transition is going to be 1 second. Nice. So as you can see now, it's working properly, but this is not it's not running very well. So what I'm going to do, come back and check where it probably here, negative 505 pixels in light. Check, yeah, fully completed the first section. So now I'm going to go to the second section. So and so enter, and boom. So I'm going to the second section. I'm going to come handy, copy this. So I'm going to paste here, then position is going to be absolute, and width going to be 100 VH, which is half of the whole screen. Remember, I put the 200 VH on the body section, and now the section is going to be 100 VH, which means that it's a half of the screen. So it's half of the whole page. Sorry, and width is going to be 100%, and background is going to be black in order to check if the customizing it very well. So as you can see, I'm not saying it here. It means that I need to add the another half of screen. By the way, this was height. Let me see if you can get it. No, really. So what I'm going to do now, I'm gonna add top 100 VH. Let's see. Now get it here. But I'm not gonna use a black, so I'm gonna use white. So you can see those elements from the second section are already displayed here. So what I'm going to do is to add bottom 0. Bottom is going to be 0, and display is going to be flex. Alignment, uh, content is going to be center. That's it. And let's go to H1, which is the first paragraph in this page. The title is going to be color is going to be very black, which is in value. So and font size, I'm gonna set it to the 70, the big one. Okay. And font weight is going font weight is going to be 800. Let's check. Oh, you can see them because they are white, and the background is the white, so it's white. No, you can see them. What I have to do now, I'm gonna add a little bit spacing. Add later spacing. Later spacing going to be 4 pixels. See, look better. So margin is going to be 62 pixels and 138 pixels. Let me see. Nothing. Well. And point about is the section here going to be position absolute, and color is going to be black, of course, and the font size is going to be 70 pixels, and the margin is going to be 70 pixels to negative 380 pixels. Let's check. Well, so we have to do to give font size. Font size is going to be 800. Next, the box image, this one. With here, paste it. Oh, paste it here, and we need to positioning it, and give it height. It's got 220 pixels, and the width is going to be 220 pixels also. Margin is going to be 285 pixels to 139 pixels. So next is going to be the background, which is equal URL. It's going to be images slash one dot jpg. See, now you can see we got it right. So we're gonna say background background size, background position going to be cover, center, background size is going to be cover, that is going to cover the whole. Wow. Yeah, like this. And we're gonna add the border radius to 50 pixels. Nice. So what we have here, let's copy this. Then second, I'm just gonna add to change it. Be like the same, but margin is going to be different. It's going to be the around 360, and it's going to be 430 pixels. Background image just located the same as this. I'm gonna paste here and then change it to 2, then save and then come check. So you can see it. And in that, oh, I did it wrong maybe. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the change that we made above here. This, I guess we should add 44 pixels as was. Check. Okay, wow. Yeah. So this is the first box. This is second. Oh, we forgot to put here too. Just copied and pasted. That's why I'm not getting it. So as you can see, this is it. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna position, background position, background position. It's going to be center. Background size is going to be cover. See. Now border radius. The radius. No way. Border radius is going to be 50 pixels. Now boom, we have it here. Let's continue. We'll come back to it later. So what you have to do here, you have to come and take this color graph, which is the last paragraph on the page here, then color to black, and font size is going to be 23 pixels. Font weight is going to be 300. Height is going to be 200 pixels. Width is going to be 500 pixels. See what we get. Wow, you can see now. All left is just to set it to give it location. Set it in specific location. You have to go to margin and then relative 95 pixels to 635 pixels. I destroyed everything, I guess. Well, that's terrified. Let me just customize another. Come back later to see the what I wrote wrong. So I'm going to social, then icons, the social media icons. Customize first Now position is going to be absolute. Bottom, no, bottom is going to be 30 pixels, and margin is going to be 0 pixels to 77%. And 8, it is going to be 50 pixels, and it going to be 300 pixels. See, so as you can see, I just here, then go to customize them just for once. I'm gonna, because they are just started from this, and then the class here, the class name. So what I'm going to do is just to customize the one, all of them at once. Let me just point them to say position relative. So font size is going to be 4 pixels, and the color is going to be black. After color, I'm going to add, and it's fast check. So as you can see, icons are appeared. So what I'm going to add is the cursor pointer also. See if I can. Wow, okay. So the next thing is to add the hover effect, which is going to be color, change the value, which is gold, and transform the icon to scale, which is 0.90, and we're gonna add transition on second. So let's see. As you can see now, they're beautiful. So we go to check the program here. So you have to bring down. So oh my god, to do it, put 0, just 0, reload the page. And maybe add this over here, check. Alright, too much, then just add change it to 500 and see if I match it around here. Save and see. Oh wow, we need a small value. So let's add 400 maybe. See? Okay, still 440. Oh, it's not moving any inch. Then like 300, 350. Right, right there. Then add 20 pixels. Okay, right, yeah. Then add 30. And here, we need to add 160. Simple. That's it, guys. That's it. So HTML is only around 57 because count those gaps, and CSS is 180 lines. Also is about 180. So as I'm simplifying it as much as I can. So as you saw in this video, guys, creating websites is not easy. It's a little bit challenging, but well, it's fun. So if you enjoyed the video, remember to support the channel. You can go and donate any dollar on my Patreon page, or you can subscribe. That's now. Also, even if you want to ask me any question, feel free. I will leave social media links in the description. So, follow and stay connected. Remember to suggest any of project I can work on if you want to collaborate. I have also GitHub. You can go there and download this code. The link is going to be public, and yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Give the video thumbs up, and bye. Have a good day.